Hi there, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and I'm going to talk to you about how to cut your flooring for around your toilet. There's actually two different ways to do this. One way is pulling the toilet up. I like doing it this way because you can have a nice tight fit with no cracks, no caulk under your toilet. So, you have to pull your toilet up, and if you see here, right around, you can actually leave a little bit of gap around your flange here at your toilet, because when you set your toilet back down, it's going to cover it all and hide it. Then you can have a nice tight seal on the outside with no caulk. The second option is laying linoleum with your toilet still installed. The thing I don't like about this is you have to push it in there really tight and create a seam around the base of the toilet. And then you have to take a razor blade and cut along that seam, all the while pushing it in there so you get a nice way to cut it. Then after you cut that all the way around, you have to take caulk and put a bead of caulk around there and smooth it out and try to make it look decent. As you can see here, I think this is the superior way, pulling the toilet, because we can have linoleum all the way across here where the toilet actually connects to the floor. All you have to do is run your linoleum over and cut a hole around rather than trying to get it in there and create a crease and cut it and then caulk it. And if you see here, you can see where we pulled the toilet, and even though this cut underneath doesn't look nice at all, it all gets covered up by the base of the toilet. It's great as long as you keep your cuts inside the diameter of the toilet. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to cut flooring to go underneath your toilet. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.